Have you ever seen a helicopter in the sky? It looks like a big metal bird with a giant fan on top. That fan is called a rotor, and it's what makes helicopters so special. Helicopters are different from airplanes because they can fly straight up and down. They don't need a runway to take off or land. Helicopters have a few main parts. The rotor blades spin very fast, creating lift that pulls the helicopter up. The pilot sits inside the cockpit and controls the helicopter. The tail rotor is a smaller rotor on the tail that helps keep the helicopter steady. Helicopters come in different sizes, but they all work in the same way. Some helicopters are small enough to carry only a few people, while others are big enough to carry heavy cargo. No matter the size, they're all fascinating machines. The secret to a helicopter's flight lies in its spinning rotors. Imagine the rotors as long, thin wings spinning very fast. As the rotors spin, they push air down. This downward push of air creates an upward force called lift. The faster the rotors spin, the more lift they create. When the lift force is greater than the helicopter's weight, the helicopter rises into the air. It's like magic, but it's really science. The shape of the rotor blades is also important. They are curved on top and flatter on the bottom. This shape helps the air move faster over the top of the blades, creating even more lift. This design is what allows helicopters to fly. Inside the cockpit, the pilot has special controls to fly the helicopter. Two main controls are the cyclic stick and the collective lever. The cyclic stick tilts the rotor blades, making the helicopter move forward, backward, or sideways. The collective lever controls the angle of the rotor blades. Increasing the angle creates more lift, making the helicopter go up. Decreasing the angle reduces lift, making the helicopter descend. The pilot also uses foot pedals to control the tail rotor. The tail rotor counteracts the spinning force of the main rotors, preventing the helicopter from spinning out of control. It helps the helicopter fly straight. From taking off vertically to hovering in midair, helicopters are truly unique flying machines. They play vital roles in many different fields. Helicopters are essential for rescuing people in emergencies. They can reach places that are difficult or impossible for other vehicles to access. Helicopters are used to fight fires, transport goods, and even assist in construction projects. They are versatile machines that make our lives easier and safer. Next time you see a helicopter in the sky, remember the amazing science and engineering that allows it to take flight.